So this ARP 2600 has a remarkable story. The original ARP 2600, it's been refurbished to the metal. It's been modified. It's got sync between the oscillators. It also has an extended spring reverb in it. This is one of my favorite instruments I've ever owned. I've used this on so many tracks and records, it's not even funny. There was a particularly large period of usage of this instrument during Movement is Still Life, moving into emotional technology. So this is what this thing is and does. It is a 3 oscillator instrument. There are piles of videos online of people using this. What's very special about it is its spring reverb. That's a spring reverb. So this is this incredible instrument. Back in the day, I used to sequence, and that's why it's here. I used to exclusively sequence this instrument using, believe it or not, a Roland TB303. This is my original Roland TB303. It is the #2 devilfish ever made. So the same thing that Josh Winke used on Higher State of Consciousness, I use this on all my tracks in the 90s. And this is like a peanut butter and chocolate pairing. Sequencing on this with the ARP 2600 is just completely bonkers. So if you listen to something like Godspeed, or quite frankly, anything from Movement is Still Life or Emotional Technology, it's likely to have that pairing of instruments on it.